Good morning, everyone. So, next log that I will open is this unpacked Vachette cylinder. I don't believe it's a real Vachette by the quality that I see inside, but I decided I was in Qatar. This was the only place that I could get some locks. The lock itself costs about 750 Qatari Riyal, which is about €1.50, I guess. So for €1.50, I doubt this is a real Vachette, or it's a Vachette made in China.
So, I decided to do it and have some fun with it. Let's see if it even works. I will open it and let's have a look. So, come on.
That's the lock, some keys. They looked stamped on. Let's see if at least the lock works. Yeah, it works. Very light, qualities. Well, it's shiny, let's say it like that. But by the coating, I don't think there's anything special. You can see the tolerances here. They're awful. Let's see if you can actually pick it. So this thing, I guess it should be okay. Let's see if it even needs some picking. Well, for the moment I count 3 pins. These Chinese wonders. Though it's a dimple lock, and since I'm not the best with dimple locks, would actually maybe present a bit of a challenge to open, so to say. And here we go. Open. Well, took me longer than I expected, but still, nothing hard. There are no security pins, I can assure you of that. Let's see what's inside. We'll not keep this lock for sure because of the nice quality. So let's gut it and let's have a look what's on the inside. Probably some cheap crap inside, but let's make sure of that. It's some cheap crap. Again, morning, again some C-clips. Never start the day without a C-clip. Okay. So since I locked it, let's turn it this way and see what was on the inside. Yeah. You can guess what happened because of the very nice quality on the inside. All the pins are now on this rib, so I cannot remove the key. Okay. Imagine I just made a big mess, but whoops. Yeah, that was a very hard thing, you see. So that's on the inside and it broke really easy. So you can get the quality. The lock is a piece of crap. Okay. Thanks for watching. Sorry for wasting your time. Cheers, mates. Again, guys, addendum to the previous fun video. Here is the core. I somehow managed to take it out because of the very nice quality. Here are the internals as well. So you can see it's the fun core that I think Bill mentioned something that is made out of bubble wrap paper, something like that. And so they are saving metal by not filling all the parts of the core. I have another one somewhere that is better than this one, because for example there's a grid here, but they have skipped this one here as well, again to save crap metal. Pins, yeah, we have something like a spool, if you would call it like that. Hold on a moment, I'll show you. Oops. Sorry, I haven't taken my kits out yet, but there's something like a spool, some edges, so let's say this is a spool, a Chinese spool. Everything else looks like a normal crappy pin. Let me zoom a little bit, maybe you will be able to see them. Here we go. Well, as I said, another Chinese lock. So people, don't buy these locks. They are just waste of time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.